Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, reporting to you live from the snowstorm of the Howell family in North Mississippi. Conditions are getting rough. Conditions are definitely getting rough. You should stay at home. Do not venture out. Do not venture out. Most of the markets have been ransacked, if not destroyed. It's not fit out here for man nor beast. Rare. Isn't that right, Snowball? Yeah, I know you want to play. Hey, hold up. Okay, so update. We have no water. Our water is officially frozen. So, I have ventured out into the far north side of the house to find the water meter and see if we have a leak. I've already walked around the house. Couldn't see any signs of distress. We called our neighbors. They have water. We don't. This can only mean one thing. It's our problem. Okay. So, to do that, on this perilous mission, water meter, which should be hopefully somewhere around about, I think it's right there. Somewhere. Yeah. So, I'm gonna have to dig through 3 inches of frozen snow, get the lid off, which if you've ever taken the lid off a water meter, you know you can't get the lid off a water meter in the middle of the summer after a rain when it's nice and soft, much less when everything is frozen together. Snowball, stop it. You cannot eat my cell phone. No, no, no. Okay. Ooh, that wind is cold. Ooh, me. All right, I know I sound like a ditty baby, I'm telling you, but man, that wind is cold out here right now. I think it's real feel like 2, 4, something. I don't know. Definitely not 2 numbers put together. It's not 2 numbers put together. It's 1 number. Okay, all right. Let me see if I can get this dug up. I may have to go rent an excavator, some big track hoe or something. Dig through 3 inches of frozen snow. That's a joke. Okay, all right. Be right back. Update. It's not good. Not good at all. Okay, so our house. Trying to get this. Oh, there we go. Our house is on a conventional floor, which means, I dug up the water meter. It's not running, so there's no leaks. Well, as of right now, there could be leaks later. Right now, it is frozen. So, the solid water, also known as ice, is not going to leak out until it warms up and thaws. The only problem is it's not going to warm up and thaw. Today's Tuesday. Probably till like the afternoon tomorrow. I think that's when it's supposed to warm up and thaw. I'm good with it, you know. We got cases of bottled water. We still have electricity. Great, thank you. Thank you, Jesus. So, you know, we're fine. But Abby, she no bueno. So, I don't know what to tell her. I've never had the pipes freeze underneath the house before, which, okay, granted, it was my fault. I was supposed to leave the faucet, you know, running last night so it wouldn't freeze, and I forgot to do it. I just forgot to do it. So, you know, hey, my bad. For real, that's the thing here in the South. We all, like, whenever it gets, I don't know if y'all do it other places or not, but here, we always leave our faucets dripping when it gets super cold like this, to keep them from freezing. So, anyway, this may be the end of the video, may not, I don't know. I may have an update later, but yeah. So this is day 2 of Snowstorm 2024. Okay. If this is the end of the video, then deuces, homies. If it's not, then you'll see me back on here in just a second. Thank you. Oh, and you know what? This will probably be the end of the video. I don't really know that. Maybe. Well, I'll think about it. I don't know. I don't know how to add to this. But anyway, also I want to say, hey, look, I'm saying this, you know, jokingly. Yes, we are actually out of water. You know, our water pipes are frozen. But I know there are a lot more people out there that are hurting a lot more than we are. We still have electricity. We have a warm house. You know, we got plenty of food. We have plenty of cases of water. So, you know, seriously, my prayers and thoughts and well wishes go towards the people who, you know, aren't as fortunate as we are to have what we have. So, you know, definitely keep them in your prayers. You know, so, yeah. And anytime that, you know, I'm getting off on a tangent, but anytime that you know, just truly feel led to help somebody, just help somebody. Really, whether they deserve it or not, just you know, as long, I mean, just go ahead and help them. I mean, I'm not saying that you need to put yourself in bankruptcy or anything, you know, helping folks. But, you know, I mean, I just, you know, the more joy that we can spread in this world, the better it's going to be. So, and you know, I'm not about all that negativity. I like to keep negativity and drama out of my life. Okay. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. I think I may do some more, but if not, deuces, homies.